Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. This is a 2023 Prime Time Lacrosse Luxury Light 3375 FE. Front entertainment. Let's take a look. We have 3 slides, 2 front opposing slide and 1 king size bedroom slide. Power stabilizer jacks, front and rear. And we have 2 power awnings with LED light strips. Solid entry steps, extra large grab handle, and we have the thermal package for extended season camping. As you can see, the front here is just packed full of storage and has a lot of open space. Kitchen island area, recliners, fireplace, couch that folds out. There's our sound bar, big front picture window. TV is on a televator. Spin around. 3-burner cooktop range. And we have an electric oven in the wall, raised up. 12-volt refrigerator, freezer. Table and chairs. And this is the no leg table, so you have lots of room underneath. There's our control panel. Run your slides in and out, and you can Bluetooth it off your phone and run your items off with your phone. King size bed. Raised fireplace. Lots of storage here. Our second air. Lights are in motion. Nice big shower. And a closet that is prepped for a washer dryer. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.